Picture this. You're in a German store and you see something you like, but how do you ask for the price? Easy. You say, wie viel kostet das? That means, how much does this cost? Wie viel kostet das? Now, let's say you're ready to buy it. You say, ich möchte das kaufen. That means, I would like to buy this. Ich möchte das kaufen. Great. But wait a minute, you only have big bills and you need change. You ask, haben Sie Wechselgeld? That means, do you have change? Haben Sie Wechselgeld? Now, let's put it all together. Imagine you're at a market, you see something nice, you ask the price, wie viel kostet das? You decide to buy it, ich möchte das kaufen, and if needed, you ask for change. Haben Sie Wechselgeld? Easy, right? Now you're ready to shop in German. Try practicing today. Bis morgen!